Are you tired of your daily coffee routine leaving you with a lackluster brew? Say goodbye to mediocre coffee and hello to a delightful upgrade with the Keurig Supreme single-serve coffee maker in gray. In this review, we'll delve into the remarkable features of this coffee maker, designed to transform your coffee experience into something truly extraordinary. If you're interested in learning more about Keurig Supreme single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker, please click on the link in the description below. Multistream technology, a game changer. The Keurig Supreme coffee maker introduces a groundbreaking feature, Multistream technology. This innovative brewing technique revolutionizes the way coffee grounds are saturated in every K-Cup pod, and the results are astonishing. Unlike traditional coffee makers, which often struggle to extract the full flavor and aroma from coffee grounds, the K Supreme excels at it. Your morning cup of joe will never be the same again. Customize your coffee your way. One of the most appealing aspects of the K Supreme is its versatility. It empowers you to customize your coffee according to your preferences. Do you crave a bold, intense coffee flavor? Simply press the strong button for a more robust brew. Or perhaps you prefer a refreshing iced coffee on a hot day. No problem. The K Supreme can brew your coffee hot over ice, delivering a delightful iced coffee experience that's perfect for summer. Variety of brew sizes. Whether you need a quick pick-me-up or a leisurely coffee break, the K Supreme has you covered. It offers multiple brew sizes, allowing you to choose between 6, 8, 10, or 12 Oz cups. This flexibility means you can tailor your coffee to match your mood and energy levels, all in a matter of minutes. Convenient dual-position reservoir. Keurig has designed the K Supreme with your convenience in mind. The 66 Oz dual-position reservoir not only holds a generous amount of water but also offers flexibility in placement. You can easily adjust its position to fit your countertop, ensuring that your coffee maker seamlessly integrates into your kitchen setup. Fast and fresh brewed coffee. In our fast-paced lives, waiting for a cup of coffee can feel like an eternity. The K Supreme understands this and delivers coffee in minutes. It's a game changer for busy mornings when you need your caffeine fix pronto. Back-to-back brewing. For those moments when one cup isn't enough, the K Supreme has you covered. You can immediately brew a second cup without the frustrating wait for reheating. This feature is a time saver for households with multiple coffee enthusiasts. Travel mug friendly. Are you always on the go? The K Supreme is travel mug friendly, accommodating travel mugs up to 7 inches tall. No need to transfer your coffee to another container. Simply brew it directly into your travel mug and hit the road. User-friendly button controls. You don't need to be a tech whiz to operate the K Supreme. Its simple button controls make brewing a breeze. Just insert your K-Cup pod, press a button, and voila! A delicious cup of coffee is on its way. Maintenance alert. Keurig cares about the longevity of your coffee maker. The K Supreme features a maintenance alert that reminds you to descale the machine after every 250 brews. This ensures your coffee maker stays in optimal condition, delivering consistently great coffee. Compatibility with my K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter. If you're passionate about reducing waste and brewing your favorite ground coffee, the K Supreme has you covered. It's compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter, allowing you to enjoy your preferred coffee grounds with ease. In conclusion, the Keurig Supreme single-serve coffee maker in gray is a game changer in the world of coffee brewing. Its multi-stream technology ensures a flavorful and aromatic coffee experience with every cup. With customizable brewing options, multiple brew sizes, and user-friendly features, it caters to your unique coffee preferences. Its convenience and speed make it a perfect addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. Plus, its compatibility with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter adds sustainability to its list of merits. Ready to elevate your coffee experience? Don't miss out on this exceptional coffee maker. Get your Keurig Supreme today and experience the magic for yourself. Elevate your mornings one cup at a time. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.